Three-letter words with E sound. Three-letter words with the H sound. Bed, fed, led, red, wed. Three-letter words with the H sound. Beg, keg, leg, meg, peg. Three-letter words with the N sound. Den, hen, men, pen, ten. Three-letter words with the H sound. Met, jet, net, pet, wet.